Did you know that excessive use of anti-inflammatory medications can quietly increase cardiovascular risk? Many people take anti-inflammatory drugs frequently for back pain, joint discomfort, muscle soreness, or minor injuries without realizing that long-term or repeated use may raise blood pressure, increase fluid retention, impair kidney function, and even worsen underlying heart conditions. This is particularly concerning for individuals with hypertension, diabetes, previous heart attack, or established cardiovascular disease. For these individuals, frequent anti-inflammatory medication is not a harmless habit. It can become a silent stressor on the heart and blood vessels. But pain and inflammation are real. Muscular strain, joint stiffness, post-exercise soreness, and chronic low-grade inflammation are common experiences. The question becomes practical. If overusing pharmaceutical anti-inflammatories is risky, what can be done to support the body more naturally? One effective approach is increasing the intake of natural antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds through concentrated food-based preparations. Today, you will learn how to prepare 3 simple antioxidant shots using ingredients widely available in grocery stores. These preparations are easy, affordable, and provide concentrated sources of plant-based compounds that support inflammatory balance. Let us begin with the first preparation. The first shot combines ginger, turmeric, cinnamon, lemon, and water. Fresh ginger contains gingerol, a bioactive compound extensively studied for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Gingerol has been shown to modulate inflammatory signaling pathways and reduce oxidative stress markers in the body. Ginger also supports digestion, improves gastric motility, and may assist in reducing nausea and mild gastrointestinal discomfort. To prepare this shot, grate approximately 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger root into a small glass. If fresh ginger is unavailable, powdered ginger may be used, though fresh root typically provides stronger flavor and higher levels of active compounds. Next, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric contains curcumin, a polyphenolic compound recognized for its ability to interact with multiple inflammatory pathways. Curcumin has been studied for its potential to inhibit nuclear factor kappa B, a key regulator in inflammatory processes. Additionally, curcumin acts as a potent antioxidant, helping neutralize free radicals that contribute to cellular damage and aging. Add a pinch of cinnamon. Cinnamon contains cinnamaldehyde and various polyphenols that contribute to antioxidant defense. It has also been associated with improved insulin sensitivity and support of blood sugar regulation, making it particularly relevant for individuals with metabolic concerns. Squeeze the juice of half to 1 fresh lemon into the mixture. Lemon provides vitamin C, an essential antioxidant that supports immune function, collagen synthesis, and vascular integrity. Lemon also contains flavonoids that contribute to overall antioxidant capacity. If the mixture is too thick, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water and stir thoroughly until smooth. This shot provides a concentrated blend of anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds. It is small in volume, but rich in bioactive substances that support the body's natural regulatory mechanisms. Now, consider the second preparation. The second shot combines celery, ginger, lemon, apple, and water. Celery is often overlooked as a simple vegetable, but it contains significant phytonutrients, including apigenin. These flavonoids have been studied for their anti-inflammatory potential and vascular protective properties. Celery also has a high water content, contributing to hydration, which is essential for optimal circulation and cellular metabolism. To prepare this shot, chop 1 celery stalk and place it in a blender. Add a small piece of fresh ginger to enhance anti-inflammatory support. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into the mixture. Add half or 1 apple to provide natural sweetness and additional antioxidants. Particularly, quercetin is a flavonoid associated with improved endothelial function and reduced oxidative stress. Add a small amount of water to facilitate blending. Blend until smooth. If desired, strain the mixture to achieve a lighter consistency. This shot supports hydration, antioxidant intake, and vascular health. The combination of celery's phytonutrients, apples, quercetin, ginger, and lemon's vitamin C creates a synergistic effect that contributes to inflammatory balance and cellular protection. Now consider the third preparation. The third shot combines apple, ginger, kale, lemon, and water. Kale is a highly nutrient-dense leafy green. It contains vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate, calcium, and a broad range of polyphenols. Kale is rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, supporting immune function and cellular health. It also contains glucosinolates, compounds studied for their role in detoxification pathways. Place chopped apple into a blender. Add a small piece of fresh ginger. Add a generous handful of kale leaves. Squeezed fresh lemon juice over the mixture. Add enough water to blend smoothly. Blend thoroughly for at least 1 minute to break down the fibrous structure of the kale leaves. If desired, strain before drinking. This preparation delivers concentrated antioxidants, fiber, and micronutrients that support metabolic health and oxidative balance. To understand why these shots matter, it is important to understand inflammation and oxidative stress at a deeper level. Inflammation is a natural biological response to injury or infection. It is essential for healing. However, when inflammation becomes chronic and low-grade, it contributes to the progression of cardiovascular disease, metabolic syndrome, joint degeneration, and neurodegenerative conditions. Oxidative stress occurs when the body produces more reactive oxygen species free radicals than it can neutralize with Over time, oxidative stress damages lipids, proteins, and DNA, accelerating cellular aging and contributing to disease development. Plant-based compounds, such as gingerol, curcumin, quercetin, and polyphenols, help restore balance by neutralizing free radicals and modulating inflammatory signaling pathways. Unlike pharmaceutical anti-inflammatories, which often block specific enzymes aggressively, natural compounds tend to act more gently, supporting regulatory balance rather than suppressing necessary immune function. These shots are not intended to replace medical treatments. They are supportive tools that can be integrated into a broader healthy lifestyle. For best results, 1 shot may be consumed daily. Rotating between the 3 options increases diversity of phytonutrients and reduces monotony. Morning consumption is often ideal, preferably before breakfast, though they may also be taken at another convenient time of day. Moderation is essential. Individuals taking anticoagulants, those with gallbladder disease, or those with specific gastrointestinal sensitivities should consult a healthcare professional before increasing intake of turmeric or ginger. These preparations are most effective when combined with balanced whole food nutrition, regular physical activity, adequate hydration, quality sleep, stress management, avoidance of ultra-processed foods. Consistency plays a greater role than intensity. A small daily habit practiced consistently over months and years can have meaningful cumulative effects. Preparing these shots requires minimal time and minimal cost. The ingredients are accessible and widely available. Incorporating antioxidant-rich foods into daily life is one of the most practical strategies for supporting inflammatory balance and long-term cardiovascular health. Natural anti-inflammatory support does not require extreme measures. It requires awareness, intention, and consistency. Choose 1 preparation per day. Prepare it fresh. Consume it regularly. Over time, the accumulation of small protective actions may contribute to reduced oxidative burden and improved overall resilience. Daily habits shape long-term outcomes, and sometimes, meaningful change begins with something as simple as a small glass filled with concentrated plant-based nutrients.